Naanami karon diri sa hotel namo. Si Shanta nagbulak na ko. Kailan siya dito? Magtapad na lang ta, Shanta. Uy. Tapad na ta, bebe.
Hey, you're gonna ruin my... Hey, malulubot ka na.
Bitaw. Malubat na ta.
Kita.
Mag-charge sa ko og camera og drone. Shanta is sleeping on her shirt because she is maarte. Good night to the fam. Kita kids ugma sa buntag.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Welcome to Cebu.
Slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the air.
Mayang buntag Cebu, mga bisdak diya. Nami diri karon sa Oslob. Kami ni Shanta magkuan mi, maglangoy mi kauban sa mga butanding, di ba bebe? Kapoy ka? Ako gyapon, grabe. Bisaya lagi ko, bay. Ayaw buntag! Ay buntag sad.
Shanta and I are on a 3-day holiday here in Cebu, and to make sure we get the most out of our time, we've had Sky Cruise Lifestyle Travels Agency organise everything from flights to all the sites we're going to see. So after the first day of sightseeing, it was time for us to go and do the thing that I've been waiting for the most.
Shanta, you ready, baby?
I'm ready to get...
You ready to drown? Kasi hindi ka marunong maglangoy. Luwi kayo eh. Mauni ang ikatulong ang beses na ako na mulang may food dito sa dagat. Kaubon sa mga butanding. Taga-asa man mo? Bisaya man mo?
Tagalog from Boljoon.
Tagalog. Pero marunong kayo mag-Bisaya? Hindi. Kayo pala ang panibenta. Grabe. Ang ganda dito, no? Naibutanding diri, naka-life jacket. Yeah, Shanta. Get a picture with the butanding. Kuya, unsa ngalan sa nining simahan? Boljoon. Boljoon?
I grew up in the same house.
What? You grew up in that house?
No, I grew up in a house like that.
Amo ba? Alam mo ragkuan, haunted house. Na diri karon sa kasimbahan nga karaan kaayo. Daghang mga karaan diri sa Cebu kay Cebu is the oldest city in the Philippines.
It's a national treasure. Yung church na yan.
Diri karon sa Cebu Philippines Temple. This is our last day of the tour. So on day 3 we get to do whatever we want. We have a free day. So Shanta and I decided to come to the place where we got married. the Philippines Cebu
Really?
temple. This crossing is where Shanta and her bridesmaids did her little run, yeah.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
And this is where all my groomsmen were walking and they threw me up in the air. Di ba, bebe?
You got me falling slowly.
Shanta, this is where we walked, di ba, together at the end of our wedding video.
I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama.
Salamat kayo sa pag-uban sa amo diri sa sa pagkuyog, no? Salamat kayo sa pagkuyog sa amo diri sa among Cebu adventure, among Bisdak adventure. Salamat kayo sa Sky Cruise Travel sa nining Cebu adventure. Nindot kayo, oy.
So yung tour nila, hindi kasama yung Cebu Temple kasi
Lagi. Free day na to.
free day namin ngayon.
Lagi.
Kaya we chose to go to the temple.
Hey.
In the shadows, closer than you know. Can you let me love you?
Kita-kit sa sunod nga video sa Duwanta. Mubalik na ta sa Tagalog sa sunod. Bye-bye everybody.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Hey, do you guys know where the Lapu-Lapu shrine is?
What?
Lapu-Lapu shrine? Do you know where it is? Who is Lapu-Lapu?
Our ancient heroes.
Oh, he's a hero?
Oh yes.
What's he a hero for? What did he do?
Lapu-Lapu he is
So biyani to siya dili sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. Mo ba? That way.
Anong ginisod-lisod pa niyo yung ginabuhi nga?
Wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you. What you say I do.